This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the safety catch, fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Unclip the transmission breather hose from the side of the air cleaner housing. Disconnect the hose, then slacken the clamp securing the air outlet hose to the throttle body. Pull the housing upwards to release the rubber mountings, then disconnect the air inlet duct. The filter element cover is secured by 5 captive screws. Undo the screws, lift away the cover and remove the filter element. Remove all dirt and debris from the filter housing and cover. Locate the new filter element into the cover, then refit the cover to the housing and tighten the retaining screws securely. The air cleaner housing is secured by 4 rubber mountings. Maneuver the housing into position, connect the air outlet hose to the throttle body and the air intake duct to the front of the housing. Press the housing firmly down to engage the mountings. Tighten the air outlet hose clamp and reconnect the hose. Clip the transmission breather hose to the side of the air cleaner housing. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.